Hi guys, how are you all doing? The time is past 5. I think like 5 minutes or 10 minutes past 5. I want to start making dinner. Today we are having fried rice. I already have some things prepped because time is no longer on my side. And also, I think we're in the season of plantain now. Let me show you guys something. I still have more plantain inside that carton there. Somebody gifted us plantain, and within a twinkle of an eye everything is ripe. Like, I don't understand. I don't know how I'm going to preserve this plantain. I'm air frying some right now, but I don't know if I can be able to air fry everything. And if you say you want to put it in the freezer, NEPA people will disappoint you the day you decide to keep it in the freezer, and that's when they will not bring light for 2 or 3 days. But anyways, let's get into today's activities. I've not even finished saying what I was saying, and they just took the lights. My tripod broke. I think the other last time when I was filming. Look at, I got this tripod. It's not even up to 3 months or so, and I was filming the other day and it broke. So I'm using my old one. I had to go back to the old one, although the old one is not very stable, like it's not sturdy. But I'm just holding it and managing it. But I'll try and fix it. If I cannot fix it, it means that I'm going to get another one. One thing I love about fried rice is always because of the pop of color. Like these colors, this red, yellow, green, everything. I love it because of the pop of colors and the carrot color. Like it just makes a lot of sense to me. Like that's why I like making it. I like the pop of colors that comes with it. I don't know if I'm the only one that feels like this, but I just love it. Hi guys, how are you all doing? So today I'm going to the mall. Want to go and buy Christmas hamper for the people who've been working with this for the whole year. So, but one thing is that it brings back a lot of memories because last year I remember I did the same thing after packing the whole thing, and then I went home and I started having contractions, and that was how I went to deliver. But this year's own, I know that it's definitely different because it's never going to happen again that way. The children will come at the right time when they are supposed to come.
So yeah, let's go.
How did you be enjoying yourself?
I'm trying.
How much you usually win? I said 11, 10, 11.
11, 12, don't complete. Do the oil well land for your table food. They want to see the ground now.
It's
Ignite. Don't be still.
You know there's a... This one no follow. No follow.
she don't.
Have you returned the oil?
I don't think you wanna make me die. Call me whenever I be right on time. But you know that's too easy. Sorry, I'm fake. Always be on leasky. You give me signs, say you wanna get freaky. Wear some time, don't you lie, go ahead, meet me. And I want you to. You tell me to pull up. I say that's what I was.
They don't pack that spaghetti.
They don't do this well. They don't pack that spaghetti inside something.
Then I forget, they forget. They don't pack her chips. When they bring carton come pack them, she forgets. Oh, it's a small spoon, huh?
This one there among the...
No. Down.
I need that one there. That's shopping. Yeah, I'm not